Welcome to everyone. In our previous class, we have discussed about formulation of ordinary differential equation and the process was done by elimination of arbitrary constants. Today we are going to discuss a new topic. Now, ordinary differential equation can be classified according to its order and degree. So today we are going to discuss about first order first degree ODE. Now the general form of first order first degree ODE is dy dx equal to f of xy, or equivalently m dx plus n dy equal to 0, where m and n are functions of x and y. So this is the general form of first order first degree ODE. Next we coming to the types of first order and first degree ODE. So there are four types of first order first degree ODE. Now first type is exact equation. Second type is equation of solvable by separation of variables. Third type is homogeneous equation. And fourth type is linear equation of first order and first degree. Okay, linear equation of first order. I am not writing first degree because linearity means the ODE is must of first degree. So these are the four types of first order first degree ODE. Next coming to the types of solutions of first order first degree ODE. So there are three types of solutions of first order first degree ODE. Our first type is called general solution. Or it can be said as complete primitive. Or general integral. Now next second type of solution is particular solution. And the third type of solution is singular solution. So these are the three types of solutions. Next coming to the details discussion, that is what is a singular solution? What is a general solution? This first one. So just recap a thing, that is when we formulate a differential equation or construct a differential equation, we are to eliminate the arbitrary constants. But when we solve some differential equation, then we again gained up all those arbitrary constants. Okay, so when in case of construction we have to eliminate arbitrary constant, and in case of solution we have to gain up all those arbitrary constants. If in the solution of a differential equation, the number of arbitrary constants, the number of independent arbitrary constants is same as the order of ODE, then the solution is called general solution. So if in the solution the number of independent arbitrary constants is same as the order of ODE. If in solution the number of independent arbitrary constants is same as the order of ODE, then that solution is called general solution or complete primitive or general integral. Now coming to the second one, that is particular solution. So if we put the specific value of that particular constants, then we get particular solution. Therefore, for each particular value of arbitrary constant, we can get particular solution. So for specific value of arbitrary constants, we get a particular solution or PS. General solution can be short form, we can write JS for our self reference. Okay, next going to the singular solution. So there are some solutions which may exist but are not deducible from the general solution by giving particular values to the arbitrary constants. Such solutions are called singular solution. So again I repeat, there are some solutions may exist but which are not deducible from the general solution by giving particular values to the arbitrary constants. Such solutions are called singular solution. Now, for example, see the form of three solutions. So, let us consider the ordinary differential equation, this y equal to x dy dx plus root over a square dy dx whole square plus b square. Now if we put p equal to dy dx, then this equation can be written as y equal to xp plus root over a square p square plus b square. Now the form of general solution, so here I cannot go to the detailed discussion of the solution, but just I want to show you the form of the three types of solutions. So the form of general solution will be y equal to cx plus root over a square c square plus b square, where c is arbitrary constant. Okay, so this is the general solution, this is the form of general solution. Now in case of particular solution, what will be the form? So we have to put some particular value of c. Suppose we put c equal to 1, then we get a particular solution, that is y equal to x plus root over a square plus b square. This is a particular solution obtained for the particular value c equal to 1. Now coming to the singular solution. So the form of singular solution is x square plus a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. And the process to obtain each of these solution will be discussed later. So this is the form of three types of solution. Here we can see that the singular solution represents the equation of ellipse. Okay, so this is the types of three types of solutions, and this is the types of first order first degree ODE, and this is the general form of first order first degree ODE. So in the next video we can discuss more interesting topics. Keep watching. Thank you.